Introducing the all-new improved FastCOLOUR Lite 2019 model F1600 printer with Epson XP600 printhead from am.co.za. This is the perfect budget large format printer for indoor and outdoor media use, and the special features include a 1600mm printing area to print anything up to 1600mm like vinyl, PVC banner material, wallpaper material, normal plotting papers, and so much more. The bulk ink system for 4-color CMYK inks, which includes a 15 micrometer solvent resistant ink filter for each ink tank. Solvent, water-based and sublimation ink can be used with this printer. The automatic lifting printhead ink capping system made for easy alignment and better printhead seal protection. Bidirectional printing enabled with printing speeds of 4-pass draft mode being 15 meters squared per hour, a printing speed of 6-pass production mode that is 10 meters per hour, and lastly a printing speed of 8-pass quality mode, which prints at 8 square meters per hour. Then there is an integrated front dryer and heater, exceptional for additional printed media drying just before roll-up. There is also a preheat and post-heat 2-stage heating system with a 3-level temperature control that includes a rolling up device that takes the media right up after printing. And to celebrate our new 2019 arrival, we are throwing in a free 100ml Epson factory use liquid for printhead daily maintenance. You can take a tour on our am.co.za site for videos on how to use or set up the machinery and make use of our very helpful and handy support team to do the job for you. Get your machine today by simply dialing sales on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.